When you come into the pit, because you've gone so fast for so long, you come back in and you think like everyone's moving in slow motion, because you've got so used to going so fast. It's a state of mind almost.
The faces in the hedges, it's hard, you can't pick some of them out, you can't pick the faces out, but you can, certain bits of track is so close to the spectators, and you know, you can smell barbecues when you go around, you go through Kurt Michael and they're on burgers and sausages, and you're concentrating really hard on what you're trying to do.
The TT is really demanding on both rider and machine. Reliability is something that we take very seriously with the bikes here at Honda Racing. Everything's belt and braces with what we do. We go above and beyond to make sure that everything on the bike is as safe and as robust as possible.
The world's ever evolving, but the actual race itself, I think, is as pure as it's ever been.
The motorcycles are so much faster, but that bit where you put your helmet on and do your helmet strap up, that's still the same.